Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add a calendar in Notion. So this is very simple. First, I will add a new page to show you how to add this calendar. So this will be calendar. Now type backslash and calendar and select calendar view database. Now, as you can see, the calendar is automatically added, and you can simply see it right here. So you can manage your calendar right here or add something if you want. Let's say I want to add something to my calendar tomorrow. So I will click on add an item, and here I can add go to the office. I can set a date, as you can see, to tomorrow, or I can add some tags if I want. So this tag will be work create, and I can also add a property or add a comments or whatever I want. So as you can see, here it is right now. So thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.